welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I feel like I'm pretty posh and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. This is a very last minute put together type of video. I had no idea what I was gonna film today. I wanted to do the $1 billion morning routine, I think it's called, or the billionaire's morning routine, but that didn't end up happening because I stayed up really late. I have been wanting to do more like healthy snacks to eat during the week and stuff, so that's what I'm going to be making today. The first thing we're going to start with is going to be muffins. They're going to be blueberry muffins. Blueberry muffins are my fave. I'm excited to be learning how to make this from scratch, and it's like a healthy version, so I feel like I still need to go back and learn how to make the more like unhealthy version. This is a healthy yogurt oat blueberry muffin mix. We're gonna do two other really quick snacks that are super basic. First, let's preheat the oven to 375. We are going to start with the dry ingredients, okay? We're gonna start with the oats. I had to use like oatmeal packets. I literally went to the store to pick up some stuff for these muffins and I forgot to get rolled oats. So these packets are gonna have to work. They're brown sugar cinnamon, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, maybe I shouldn't put the ground cinnamon in then. 1 cup of rolled oats. Oh my God, 3/4 cups of whole wheat flour. Yes. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We need 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And then we're skipping the cinnamon because the brown sugar cinnamon oatmeal packets that we use, and salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then you just whisk. So that's obviously whisked up. So I'm gonna be using my KitchenAid today. Oh, add the blueberries. How many blueberries? 1 cup of blueberries. So we also have to add 1 cup of blueberries to the dry mix. Mix it in. Now they're all covered. I decided not to use frozen blueberries because I read online that using frozen blueberries will, like, you'll probably have to bake them longer, and I'm really not trying to mess these muffins up because I'm like actually trying to eat them, you know? So in this bowl, we're going to do yogurt, which is 1 cup of yogurt. This is actually 7 ounces of yogurt, so it's a little less than a cup, 1 ounce. So I need to get another ounce. Lovely. Now I need to get an ounce though. How much is an ounce? I'm just gonna take like a fat spoonful, yeah? Yo, okay. As you guys can see, clearly I don't eat like healthy, like yogurt and stuff. So that was news to me. I haven't eaten yogurt in a really long time. 1 egg, 1 cup of milk. All right, I really need to stop talking in accents before I offend somebody. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I think that's gonna, oh my God. I literally just said stop talking in an accent. There's still some. I forgot to buy honey as well. I had blue agave. It's a sweetener and you can use it in baked goods. So I'm gonna use that instead of the honey and the sugar. So blue agave, 1/3 cup. Yes, okay, that's everything. We're whisking. Now, I'm going to add these ingredients to this. That smells good. You guys. Okay, so I forgot to melt the butter. Let's do that. Pop that into the glass. Stick it in the microwave for a brief moment. Jesus Christ. Talking in accents. All right, listen. I just wish that I had an accent. My mom has a very thick accent. She's from Germany. I'm jealous of her accent. Ooh, you guys, I'm so excited to make these and Good boy. Oh my gosh. Did I wipe my hands on my leggings? I like took all my Christmas decorations down and my mirror's right there, and like now I can see myself while I'm filming, and I just like go into my own head sometimes. But let's scoop these puppies. Ooh, I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm so excited to bake these. Okay, now it says to bake for 14 to 17 minutes. I'm going to do 14 minutes to start, just in case, and then I'm going to check on them. The next thing that we're gonna do are like yogurt treats. First, we're gonna make a little yogurt like bark, I guess, and we're just gonna do it in like a couple of different ways. You can decorate, I don't know how much time and effort I'm gonna be putting into these, but we'll see. We're gonna freeze them. We'll go from there. I have some sprouted blueberry flax granola. I have some hemp seeds. I have some red food coloring to put like, I don't know, to make the lollipops kind of cute, you know? I also have crushed pineapples, peaches, and blueberries, and then plain Greek yogurt. We're gonna take a scoop of yogurt. Okay, so I'm just filling the hearts. Can you feel it? Can you feel the love? That is from Corey in the House. Throwback. Leave me a comment down below if you used to watch Disney Channel, okay? And let me know what your favorite show was. I think from back in the day, it's really hard to decide, but I wanna say That's So Raven. Ooh, honestly, The Proud Family, Lizzie McGuire. Now that we have that part done, oh, I should have mixed the, oh God, I just messed this whole thing up. So let's go ahead and just dump some pineapple in. All the pineapple. Okay, so I just checked on the muffins. I did it for 14 minutes and I stuck the toothpick in completely raw on the inside, so we're gonna keep baking them. I did another 5 minutes. Hopefully that's not too long, but we'll see. So yeah, you guys saw I completely messed up that whole thing and forgot to add the crushed pineapples, but you can add whatever fruit you want to. It doesn't have to be pineapples. I just thought that would be the easiest to kind of put into these molds. And then for the hemp seeds, the reason I'm using those, I try to implement those into my diet as much as I can because they have a lot of iron in them, and I do have an iron deficiency. However, I'm not a doctor or a health consultant or a nutritionist or anything like that. I don't know anything about diets or health, to be honest, but I know that there's a lot of iron in them and they're good. And then I'm just putting oatmeal on, no, not oatmeal, oats, granola on the other side. Guys, I'm a mess. I'm a freaking mess. It looks a little bit messy, but we're gonna pop this into the freezer. We'll add the lollipops to this tray and then we'll go from there. We're gonna make some lollipops. I wanted to try and include a few different ways that you would be able to make the bark. I feel like this would actually be something that would be a lot of fun to do with your kids if you have little ones. That way you can kind of implement more healthy snacks into their diet if that's something you want to do. If not, whatever, I don't
really care. But I think this would be a lot of fun, and in the next clip you're gonna see, this one, you can literally make big chunks of yogurt bark and decorate them all cute and stuff. And I honestly have no idea how this is gonna freeze, so let's see together.
I'm gonna pop these into the freezer, but we're also gonna make yogurt covered blueberries, plain yogurt, and we got the film this time. I already washed the blueberries, don't worry.
Again, this is just another quick and easy snack. You can do whatever fruit you want. I'm doing blueberries because they have a lot of antioxidants in them, which I feel like I need because I don't eat healthy food often.
Try one of these muffins. Let's see how it tastes. Definitely a lot less sweet than regular blueberry muffins, but not bad. Got him. This is good. That is so good. I'm so satisfied, and I'll tell you, I feel like regular blueberry muffins are way more filling, or they feel way more filling than these do so far. This is so good. Wow. 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm gonna leave the pin down below in the description box. I feel like I'm really bad at doing that. I always say, yeah, check out the description box, and then half the time I don't put the stuff in there. I'm curious to see how the lollipops and the like bark is gonna turn out. Hopefully good. I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this, what I have now, while the yogurt is freezing, and then that way I can get this up for you guys ASAP. Okay, so I just took everything out of the freezer and everything looks so cute. Obviously, these are freaking normal, so whatever. But literally, I'm just trying to figure out like a cute way to film them so that I can like put a cute shot in there for you guys, figuring that out. But you guys, this froze so like well, I honestly can't really pick it up, but oh my gosh, I'm gonna throw it into a Ziploc baggie. This is so freaking cute. I literally cannot. This, I definitely could have tried a little bit harder to stay in the lines with some of them, but that's okay, that's okay. Some of them look pretty freaking decent. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. These look honestly so yummy. Like, I could definitely get down with some of these. That was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to click that button down below, subscribe. I will see you guys. Well, yeah, I'll see you guys on Tuesday. I'll figure it out. Bye.